I'm Jason, the world is yours, and today we're talking about how to use Omlet Arcade. Okay, so this is going to be a helpful video for when you live stream. So in order to live stream, you have to hit the plus button right here, and then obviously you hit go live. And at the moment, you can live stream on Omlet Arcade, or you can live stream on YouTube. Either way, for this video, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna say this is to live stream on YouTube, and this is to live stream on Omlet Arcade. You could also live stream on Twitch, and I believe maybe Facebook also. I don't know if you could live stream on Facebook. Oh, you could live stream on Facebook also. But this video is for any live stream. But this example I will use is just for Omlet Arcade. So then you hit the next button. So this is very important. As you can see, the video I'm playing right now is Mario Kart. And in Mario Kart, you play that game in portrait mode, right? So as you can see, you go to stream settings. It's very important. And then orientation, portrait, right? That's how I'm going to play Mario Kart in portrait mode. Now, when I play Call of Duty, I obviously do not want to play this in portrait mode. So we go, obviously, because that's in landscape mode. So you change it, easy change. You go to stream settings once again. And from portrait, you go to landscape. And now it switches. Now, this is very important. Oh, hold on, let me go back because now the video is going to be all weird. Hold on. How do I do that? Oh, yeah, I got to go back here. Stream settings, landscape, portrait, right? So that's very important for if you are going to live stream on any of these platforms. Please, please, please make sure you are in the right stream settings. I'm still new to this site. I've used this site for maybe like 3 days, but I have done some live streams where the chat was saying that the video was upside down. I didn't understand what they were talking about. And then I checked on my YouTube and the video was upside down. I was streaming Mario Kart Tour. I was streaming this video in portrait mode on the stream settings. I didn't change it because the first video I streamed on this site was Call of Duty, and the default, I just want to mention that the default setting is in landscape mode, right? So that's the default setting. I didn't do auto. I don't want to get into auto. Obviously, you know which mode you're going to be playing in, but the default setting is in landscape mode. So if you're playing a video that is in portrait mode like Mario Kart Tour, please make sure wherever site you are streaming to, like I said, you could stream to Omlet, you could stream to YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, whichever site you are streaming to, please make sure that before you start your game, go to the stream settings, go to orientation. If it's a game like Call of Duty where you play it in landscape, put landscape. If it's a game like Mario Kart and you play it in portrait, put portrait. I do have to mention this is not a setting that's only for premium members or at a certain level. This is for everybody, anyone that live stream on Omlet. I have to say this once again. This is not a setting just for Omlet. Right now, as you can see, I'm on Omlet. If you change to, Jason, the world is yours on YouTube, it's the same setting, right? If you want to go from Mario Kart, you go to stream settings, right? Mario Kart is in portrait, but Call of Duty mobile is in landscape. You would go to that, and then that's how you would change it. Very important. A quick example of how to make sure you have the right setting before you go live. Just want to mention this one more time. If you are playing a game like Mario Kart, which is in portrait mode, you go to stream settings, right? Orientation, you change it to portrait. The default setting is under landscape. It's very important to know that, because when you're playing the game, the screen doesn't switch for you. It does not tell you, hey, you're playing the game in landscape or portrait. But if you check the chat, they will let you know if the stream is upside down. And if you're going to play Call of Duty, which is in landscape, please go to orientation, change it to landscape. The default setting is under landscape. I'm Jason, the world is yours. This is how to use Omlet Arcade stream settings, tips and tricks. Please let me know if you have any more Any more questions on this subject or any questions on Omlet? As I've mentioned, I've only been on Omlet for about like maybe 4 days at the most. Currently a level 18. Still trying to figure out this site. There's a few more tips and tricks I will have to make videos for, but this was just a tips and tricks for how to go live, right? And how to change your stream settings from landscape to portrait. The default setting is under landscape. So if you play a game like Mario Kart Tour that's in portrait, please go to orientation, stream settings, change it to portrait. And if you're playing Call of Duty, you can just leave it in landscape. I'm Jason, the world is yours. Thank you for watching.